Hello everyone! If you're watching this right now, I would like to say thank you and welcome to the Vegan Skincare YouTube channel. By the way guys, this YouTube channel is all about the Body Shop products, and if you want to know more about the Body Shop products, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Alright? By the way guys, my name is Unisikat and I am your consultant here at the Body Shop at home. So guys, for today's video, I would like to talk about a little bit about the history of the company, and also I would like to share you my why I become a consultant and what got me started to become a consultant. And lastly, we are going to unbox this beautiful guy here. And by the way guys, this is our business kit. So if you join the Body Shop at home to become a consultant, you will get this beautiful box here with a lot of goods, a lot of good products. So guys, our story started in 1976 and it's founded by Anita Roddick. And Anita Roddick believes that the business should be a force for good. The Body Shop company also believe in one purpose. This is to fight for a more fairer and more beautiful world. Secondly, there are community fair trade. And lastly, they practice ethical and environmental business. That's why I love this product so much. So let's talk about why I become a consultant and what got me started to become a consultant. So I've been using the product since I was in high school, and my family and I fell in love with the product. And everywhere I go, I've been looking for a Body Shop product because this is what I love. I love the products, all right? So when I found out that they are offering a business as a consultant at home here in America, I was like, okay, I'm just gonna join. I'm really gonna join. So guys, now that I become a consultant, it gives me a lot of purpose in so many ways. First is to inspire my family and friends about self-care and self-love. So I feel like in our life, that's one of the most important thing that we have to do so we can live a happy life, right? Second of all, now that I become a consultant, I am happy that I can share the greatness of our product and do it as a business at the same time. So with the company's reputation to providing wellness to our customers, I am very happy that sharing the products to my family and friends is like making them feel that they are valued and cared for. So that's my why, guys. Why I become a consultant, because not because I like only to share, but also I would like to share the products and also giving you a purpose of having a self-care and self-love is a must in our life. Also, by sharing these products with my family and friends, I will let them know that they are loved and cared for. So that's my why. All right, guys. So now that you know the company's history, who's the founder, when it got established, my whys, why I become a consultant, now I'm happy to share to you what's inside the box of our business kit. So first of all, we have this vitamin E facial wash. So guys, this is a full-size vitamin E facial wash. By the way, this is $79, and for all the $79, you will get the amount of more than 100. Next is we have the chamomile cleansing butter. We have the vitamin C instant smoother. So I use this before I put some makeup. We have this Clean Conscience reusable makeup. And then we have the Drops of Youth liquid peel. We also have the vitamin E moisture cream. And we also have this hard-working hand protector, the hemp hard-working hand protector. And we have the Youth Concentrate Environmental. This is Drops of Youth Concentrate. Ayan. Sorry naman guys. Hindi ako masyadong magaling mag-unboxing. This is my weakness, I guess. But I'm trying. Anyways, let's go over to the second part of our box. dito nagtatapos, guys. So, if you join, or if you want to become a consultant, you will get, there's a business kit and a starter kit. This is the business kit, and there's a starter kit. So, but I'm showing to you right now the business kit. Another thing you will get is this shea butter. This is 100% natural shea butter. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako tumitingin. But yeah, this is a full size. And this is how it looks. Ayan. So good. Another thing, you will get the shea body butter. This is a full size, guys. And then you will get the aloe calming toner. Dali. Ayan. I'm sorry. You will get the coconut exfoliating cream. You will get a Himalayan charcoal purifying glow mask. You will get the lemon purifying hand wash. And you will get the almond milk body yogurt. And you will get a pink grapefruit body wash. So guys, that's everything you will get for $79 and for being a consultant of the Body Shop at Home. Remember, it's not more about selling, but it's also letting your customer or your family and friends that they are loved and they are cared for. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy my video, and see you for more Body Shop products video, guys. Bye for now, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.